Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Lightroom background white. If you want to add the white background to the photos in the Lightroom, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one photo that you want to edit. Now here we can find the option of this kind of button. Now go ahead and select it. Wait for a few seconds and you will see the tools like this. Now to change the background to white, simply turn the exposure slider to its highest, just like this. Then slide the saturation slider to its left, just like this. Now you can see the background has been made white. And that's it. This is how we can make the Lightroom background white. It is very simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.